For years, we've tried to secure the device. Conventional security keeps adding layers. More endpoint tools, more patching, more policies. But the surface keeps expanding, and it keeps expanding. So we reduce the surface instead.
Most growing companies are trying to scale. While securing dozens, sometimes hundreds of laptops, remote teams, offshore staff, and contractors. And every one of those devices expands the attack surface. So, we asked a different question.
We didn't add another tool. We built SecureDesk. SecureDesk streams a clean Windows environment through any browser. Nothing installs locally, nothing stores locally. Every session is created fresh and destroyed at logout. Originally developed for the United States Department of Defense, and now delivered commercially by Lotus TechPros, built for compliance environments, including organizations under regulatory and cyber insurance pressure. From solopreneurs to distributed global teams, the model scales without expanding the attack surface. Extend hardware life 3 to 5 years. Reduce support tickets up to 40%.
I've thoroughly reviewed the architecture behind SecureDesk. The streamed Windows sessions truly is the smart way for growing businesses to substantially reduce their risk of individual systems.
Security doesn't need more layers. It needs a smaller attack surface. We reversed what gets secured, and we manage it for you.
This isn't remote desktop, it's zero trust streaming. Delivered as a managed service, with white glove onboarding and real human support. If you serve distributed teams, hybrid workforces, or compliance-driven organizations, let's rethink the desktop